What's up, everybody? It's V-Man 1313, and good morning from Charlie Elliott. It was Saturday night, so there's a few groups out here. The neighbor's diesel Cummins Dodge Ram has woken everybody else that was not aware already awake up. We were already up, thank goodness. And here's the new crew. North Georgia Overland is here. My messy car, my dirty trailer, and a great night's sleep last night. Oh man, it was wonderful. We got a little bit muddy, which was cool. And the doggies are out and ready. Hello. Hello. Fire going, time to eat. Alright, good morning everybody. V-Man 1313. And we are headed down to Macon to hit up the clay pit. What a wonderful evening and morning. We got in right around 6 yesterday. Had a nice camp. It was pretty, considering it was the Saturday night, pretty nice day. There was a couple of groups, one on each side of us. Loud at times, but not obnoxiously loud. They're just having a good time. And they definitely were not loud at nighttime during the sleep time. So that's really what matters, isn't it? You're out there to have a good time. And so, no complaints at all about the sleeping. No complaints at all about the sleeping. It's a beautiful day. Look at this. Gorgeous day. And we're going to slap it down to Macon. And then I'm going to, whatever they want to do is fine. But I'm going to hit dirt roads back up this way. So, come join along. Let's see what we get into. Clay Pit Road, Peanut Butter Road, and woo! Can it be as bad as that day? I don't know. Can it be worse? I'm sure. It's a cool road. Go. DJ's in the lead. Avery and Carolina are in the second. North Georgia Overland. Brian third here. And we're not sure what it's going to look like yet. But it was promising when the a hunter came by and said, "Y'all not planning to go up to there, are you? It's pretty bad." So we'll see. They did do something here with the little pea gravel stuff. They did. We're going right through it right now. Well, no more fun. Bummer. If y'all don't mind, let's turn around and let me get some drone footage, because there's that cool lake is back there. That's the quarry lake that we can't really see, but I'd like to get some footage of it.